The most eye-catching development in printing since Gutenberg invented the printing press 600 years ago. A machine that can make copies of almost anything, but this time in 3D. It seems like science fiction, but 3D printing is already in use, building hearing aids, jewelry, even parts for NASA.
The way it works is the cells are able to anchor onto the scaffold. They start making new tissue, and as that starts to happen, this scaffold goes away.
It holds the potential to revolutionize organ transplants.
Well, up until just recently, the way that we made these tissues was to actually create them by hand, one by one. When you start thinking about getting these technologies to many patients and creating thousands of these organs at the same time, you need to automate the process, and that's where bioprinting comes in.
Meaning you can make thousands of kidneys.
You could make thousands of organs. You know, you just pick the organ you want to make, but then you allow the printer to do them over and over again.
And that is our broadcast for tonight. I'm Carolyn Jarvis.